Now this is a beautiful Range Rover Sport with all the extras that people want. It's a 68 plate, it's got full Land Rover service history, it's priced in the price range that when they come in, they just sell instantly. It's a 3 litre diesel, it's a HSE Dynamic in a colour called Indus Silver, but it's got a full black exterior styling package, it's got 22-inch upgraded wheels, and it's got the £3,000 option deployable side steps. Makes a huge difference to the car. The car's a HSE Dynamic, so you get all them dynamic bumpers. So the Indus Silver of the car runs, and then this section is not normally the same colour, so it's got the dynamic bumpers, it's all colour coded. You've then got that black exterior styling, so badging, grille, bonnet vents, side vents, dynamic lights on the front. This car's got a sliding sunroof as well, and it's got them beautiful split spoke 22-inch wheels. Massive option. Bought this car off a guy, bought an SVR off us. He was a top chef actually, and he looked after his cars. It's always been serviced at Land Rover. It's just recently had brakes. It's just a beautiful example. You can see by the condition of the wheels, and just the general condition of the car is fantastic. Privacy glass on the back, and as you move round, you've got the dynamic bumpers, so you've got the big twin exhaust on the back, and then you've got that centre section which is finished in Indus Silver again. Let me show you inside. So with the car being a HSE Dynamic, you get little tweaks inside. So the car's keyless entry, walk to the car and the car opens. You've then got them beautiful deployable steps that come out. You've got memory seats, you've got the right interior for me. The car's this colour on the outside, silver and black wheels. You want black leather inside. Meridian sound system, memory seats. Let's start the car up. You get a dynamic steering wheel as well. So it's slightly smaller to a HSE. On a HSE Dynamic, you get a slightly smaller leather steering wheel. Sliding sunroof, great feature, and is a key option, especially when you're looking at a Range Rover Sport. I think that is a key feature. And then you've got all your features that you get as standard, which is a lot. Multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control, automatic lights, automatic wipers, heated seats, driver and passenger. If we go into here as well, you've got all your in-control apps, Apple CarPlay, reversing camera. So it's got all the lovely features. Now, one other optional extra which I really like, if you look at the roof lining, the roof lining's been done. It's a darker roof lining, and it makes a difference, I think. When you're sat in it, you've got the glass roof which brightens the whole car up, but I think if that was like a lighter colour, it wouldn't look right. Where I think this colour interior with the outside and the darker roof lining, it all works. In the back, again, you get rear heated seats for the rear passengers, Meridian speakers built into the rear. This car's got all rubber mats throughout as well. And then you've got electric tailgate, great boot space on it. Black badge in there with a black exterior styling pack. Parcel shelf, split folding seats, air suspension button if you want to drop the car down. So it's a great example. And when we buy these cars, when they're a few years old, we make sure they're crisp, and it is service history excellent. Specification, the way it's been generally looked after, the condition of the wheels and everything, it just shows you that's been looked after, which is very important. Great spec, going live on the website. Thank you for watching.